everybody, Mr. Custard here. I haven't done balloon modelling on TikTok and YouTube and Rumble for a little while, so I thought I'd do a bit of balloon modelling. It's all been about the magic. It's all been about the magic, so I thought I'd do some balloon modelling. Here we go. So we're going to do a parrot today. Here we go. Polly the parrot. Quite easy, really. Nice and quick and easy. There we are, guys. There's the parrot. And all you do is get a marker and put on some eyes and a little beak. And you can have your parrot on your shoulder and go, ooh-ah, Jim lad. Or you can turn him around and have him on a swing. There's the parrot.
Girls and boys, you've been entertained by Mr. Custard. We hope you've enjoyed the show. It's now time for your party food. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have fun.
You can stay if you want, I'm going home. Ciao, baby.